How to check Instagram Notes history. In this video, I'll show you the available options and explain what Instagram currently lets you access. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone and go to your profile. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Next, select Your Activity. From here, tap Account History. You can review many changes you've made to your account. However, Instagram currently doesn't provide a dedicated Notes history section, so you won't find a filter specifically for notes. If you can't find what you're looking for, go back and open Account Center. Next, tap Your Information and Permissions. Then select Export Your Information. Choose Create Export or Transfer Information, then select your Instagram account. Tap Export to Device. Then tap on Start Export. Instagram will prepare a copy of your account data. Depending on the size of your account, this may take some time. Keep in mind that Instagram does not currently offer a built-in feature to directly view your complete notes history inside the app. Downloading your account information is the closest available option. That's it. You now know how to check for your Instagram notes history and download your account data. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Instagram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.